In June of 2012, Malibu changed the face of wake surfing forever with the introduction of Surfgate. The customer demand for this innovation has been unparalleled. Wave creation is easily controlled with the flip of a switch, allowing the driver to instantly generate the perfect wave on the surfer's side of choice. With Surfgate, there is no need to lean your boat, shift weight around, or cram your entire crew to one side. You can evenly weight your boat, drop the wedge down, engage Surfgate, and start surfing. In addition, the surfer now has the ability to transfer from side to side, allowing for tricks that would not have been possible before Surfgate. For 2014, Surfgate features a faster actuator for quicker side-to-side transfers. Malibu has also incorporated signaling with a horn on the transom and optional indicator lights on the tower, helping the rider time his transfer from one side to the other. Transfers have never been easier. With the best out-of-the-box surf wave on the planet, Surfgate is life without limits.